Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to set up and unlock your iPhone with Face ID. Start by opening Settings on your home screen. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. You'll be prompted to enter your passcode to proceed. Next, tap on Set up Face ID. On the Set up Face ID screen, tap Get Started to continue. Hold your iPhone at eye level and position your face within the frame. You'll be asked to gently move your head in a circle, following the on-screen instructions. This will help your iPhone capture your face from all angles. Once the first Face ID scan is complete, you'll have the option to enable Face ID with a mask. If you don't want to use Face ID with the mask, tap Set up later. If you want to enable it, tap Use Face ID with a mask. Then, follow the same steps to complete the scan with your mask on. After completing the scan, you'll see a message that says, Face ID is now set up. Press Done to finish. Now you're all set to use Face ID to unlock your iPhone. Now, to unlock your iPhone with Face ID, press the side button to wake up your device. Then, just look directly at your iPhone. And once Face ID recognizes you, your iPhone will automatically unlock.